All right, now I'm going to show you something called Jamboard, which is an interactive whiteboard screen that you can use with your students. I will share my screen. What I want to do is I want to go and I want to open a tab on my computer, and I want to type in jamboard.google.com. All right, now the first time you do this, it's a Google product, so you'll have to link your Google account with it. Since I've already done it, and I click on Google Jamboard, I've already signed in. Okay, so what you see here is my Google account. Okay, and what I've created here are some jams. So if I want to create a new jam, I click the plus button in the top bottom corner. All right, and here is my untitled jam. I'm going to title it New Jam, whatever you want, just like a Google Doc or a slide presentation. All right, and now what I can do is, this is a whiteboard, and I'm sharing this with people in my meeting or students, and I can click on the pen, and I can draw on it, right, using my mouse. Right, I could probably do this on the Dell board or an iPad. Okay, I could add a text box or a sticky note. All right, put that in there. Okay, and I can, move it around if I want to. I can erase things. All right, I can add an image. I can do a Google image search for Niners. I could put George Kittle in there. He just became the highest paid tight end in the league. Okay, and you can draw on him, right? Or you can put a map on it, whatever you want to do. Okay, you can go laser, so laser pointer. All right. Now, what's cool about this is in this jam, you can share it with people. Right now, it's private to only me, but I can invite people to play on my jam. Right, and again, it's an email invite. Right, so I could type in someone's email address here. They would get an email invite, and then they would join my jam. And let's say I wanted them to, answer 4 + 4 equals box, and I wanted them to be able to do that. Okay, so I would send them an email through the share, and then they would be invited to my jam, and real time they would be able to play in my jam. Or if I wanted to change this link to people in Webster CSD, okay, I can copy the link, all right, and I can send that in an email to anybody in Webster, all right? So those are two ways to share a whiteboard, an interactive whiteboard with students. It's called jamboard.google.com. It's in a separate tab. I believe one of the updates that Google is working on for Meet is to integrate Jamboard directly into the Meet.